Guys, I think Mother Nature went too far with this. Bro, what have they done? What has Mother Nature done, bro? I'm cooked.
Wow, you cooked, Gordo. We're cooked. Why?
Bro, I just started recording on the rate. Oh, never mind, bro. Mother Nature is going too hard right now.
Gordo, look. A snowball got wet. Look. A snowball.
I can literally hear the rain outside of the door. Mother Nature went too far with this. It's going so hard that the window's literally shaking. Like, is there a tornado happening in New Mexico? Like, bro.
Hey, Gordo, look. There's something right there.
Bro, this is
Hey, Gordo, there's a spider right there.
this is just crazy.
Yo, what is happening? Oh, like a snowball.
Oh my god. Guys, this is just Mother Nature, bro.
What is happening, Gogo?
Mother Nature, bro.
What's happening to Mother Nature?
Mother Nature is getting wild and wild. They see me floating. They're gonna be hating. See me floating across the water. Yeah, they see me floating across the water.